everyone, I am Julia Neri, your Miss Ilocano Defender's second runner-up, and we are here to tackle the 10 spots in Isabela. Top 10 is Magat Dam. Magat Dam is one of the recognized man-made tourist spot in Isabela and is considered one of the largest dams in Asia. Magat River, which emanates from the Cordilleran mountain range, feeds the dam. Tourists who want to enjoy the Magat Dam scenery can stay at Camp Biscara. Top 9 is Landmark of Heroes. It is one of the recognized historical tourist spots in Isabela. It commemorates Isabela's forefathers who fought against foreign invasions. Revisit the province's rich history when you come here and have a glimpse of the bravery and heroism of the people. Top 8 is Fuyat Spring National Park, lying on the foot of the Great Sierra Madre Wilderness. Fuyat Spring National Park teems with various natural wonders. It is one of the natural-based Ilagan, Isabela tourist spots. Top 7 is Our Lady of Atoka Church. The Our Lady of Atoka Church dates back to the Spanish times and is one of the best-known historical tourist spots in Isabela. It boasts of a Castilian architecture. During the Holy Week, thousands of local and foreign pilgrims troop here. Top 6 is Mororan River. Aside from its crystal-clear waters, the Mororan River features numerous mini waterfalls along its entire length. Huge boulders add to the scenic view of the river. Local and travelers alike love coming here to enjoy pure water from the distant forest. Top 5 is Palanan Rainforest, the Philippines' largest low-altitude rainforest with numerous unknown endemic species of flora and fauna and exceptional biological diversity. Set off for an adventure to hike in the rich forest and swim in enchanting rivers. Top 4 is Bonsai Forest. Get ready to feel like a Goliath in a little pristine world and catch a breath of fresh air. This enchanting forest of petite flora and fauna species, with a height of ranging from 1 to 7 feet and covering an estimated 5,000 hectares. Top 3 is Giant BUTAKA, the world's largest BUTAKA with dimension 11 feet 4 inches high, 20 feet 8 inches long, 9 feet 7 inches wide, and a weight of 2,368 kilograms. Can be found in the furniture capital of Isabela, Ilagan. It illustrates the genuine hospitality of the locals. A butaka is a special handcrafted chair with long armrests. Ironically used for the legs, it is known as the lazy chair during the Spanish era, and the little hospital for pregnant women. Top 2 is Blue Lagoon. Known for its inviting sky blue waters, the Blue Lagoon is one of the emerging tourist spots in Palanan. Activities such as swimming and boating are highly suggested to fully enjoy lagoon ambience. Top 1 tourist spot in Isabela is San Mariano Crocodile Sanctuary, run by Mabuaya Foundation and local authorities. The San Mariano Crocodile Sanctuary is known for its variety of unique crocodile species, including the critically endangered Philippine crocodile. If you have an interest in wildlife, come visit the sanctuary and contribute the conservation of its flora and fauna. Once again, I am Julia Neri, your Miss Ilocano Defender's second runner-up. Agyamanak kayo, Apo.